Alright guys, I wanted to show you this because I'm sure there's somebody else that needs this. So I got everything preset, and for whatever reason the default hertz is actually right here, 49, so 50 hertz, and in the US you need 60 for most appliances. And if you go up here, go into your settings, the hertz, so you click over here, you switch over to 60, but it doesn't go back, right? And if you click back, it automatically converts it back to 50. Now you can actually see this when you go in here, you switch it to 60, you can see it doesn't switch. So no matter what you do, it doesn't actually switch, right? So the only way to switch your hertz is to actually power it down. Now this only powers down your inverter. The unit's still running, so now you go back up here and you go in here, switch it to 60, and when you push enter, now it actually saves it. And when you power back up, so we'll go back out, now power back on, takes a few seconds. I guess it takes more than a few seconds, but we're almost there. Here we go. So we got power, and here we go, 60 hertz. So that's how you switch it.